Today's class is about technical analysis. So, in our previous classes, we have discussed about what is forex, how we can trade forex, what are brokers. We have created an account with our broker, which is OctaFX, right? We have know how we can link that to our MT5. So, the last part is, and I discussed how you can use the MT5, why you should trade forex, everything. So, the last part is technical analysis, which is the most important part in the forex market. Without you knowing technical analysis, forex is actually useless to you. Like forex trading is not for you because without technical analysis, you don't know how to like why you should buy or sell because technical analysis shows you where to buy and where to sell in the market. So, what is technical analysis? Technical analysis is analyzing and forecasting the direction of prices through the study of past market data, primarily price and volume. So, using the past market data, we can use that to analyze the future of the market so that it can show us where we can buy and where we can sell. Do you understand? For instance, if we don't know that, why will you buy? Like, why would you buy at certain price? Let's say you bought at certain price and the market crashed, you'll be making losses, right? So to know that, and it's not easy to know that. So that's why technical analysis is very important and it is very advanced. It's not just simple thing. So actually, this session is not about teaching technical analysis, but to show you how technical analysis works. So you can enroll in our advanced class to learn more about technical analysis. We have our one month advanced technical analysis course which deals with SMC and ICT. So to know that, you can contact me for that, for more information about that. So in technical analysis, we have different parts. We have the retail trading, we have the advanced, which is SMC or ICT. So let's get into retail trading, which is for beginners actually. So what is we have, like I've mentioned, five things here. We have the candlestick, chart pattern, indicator, support and resistance, trend line. So let's start with the candlestick. Candlestick is actually the candle, the buy and sell candle. I don't think, okay, I don't think I've explained that. Okay, let's get into this. So this is candlestick. If you say candlestick, it represents these particular candles, like these things are moving in this market. Every candle, the purple, the ash, are candlestick. Your own might be green and red, which is the basic one. You can actually change that. So for me, I've changed that. Okay, let me change that. Okay, if you can be very quick about that, color themes. So that it cannot confuse you. Apply defaults. Okay, something like this, right? You see the green means the market is going up, right? And red means the market is going down. So candlestick is a single one. So like this now, this to this is candlestick, right? So we have different candlesticks. So in this candlestick, it represents different types of market movements. So for instance, this particular green candle, which is doji, we call it doji. I have like some particular candles that I can show you to use that to trade the market. Okay, I have the image. I can simply drop that in the group. You can have it here. Okay, like this is shrinking candle, right? We have the shrinking candles inside bar. Okay, doji candles, this and that. So this is inverted long wick, like this, right? So something similar to this, like this is just few. I can give you a lot so that you can study and use that to trade the market. So for instance, when you find this, when the market is moving up and you found this particular candle, which you used to call it doji, actually knowing the name is not that necessary. It's knowing the use of the candle and you use that to trade. Okay, so when you see that, you know the market is going down. Okay, when you see this, when the market pumps up, when you see this candle is being formed, then the market is going down. Do you understand? That's how the market is. So when you found it at the top, it will move down. So when you get it at the bottom, as you can see exactly of this one at the bottom, the market moves up. That's how you can use this candle. Okay, when you see that top, you sell it, and when you see it here, you buy it. That's it. I'm just giving you some brief information about this, right? I can drop this, all of these sheets in the group. So you have the hammer, you have the inverted hammer, doji, and a lot of ones. I can send that to you. We have the chart patterns. Chart patterns is actually combination of the candlestick to form some particular pattern in the market, so we can use that to trade. So in chart pattern, we have the head and shoulders, we have the cup, the kettle, and a lot of things. Here are some few over here. Okay, this is bearish top, bearish head and shoulders, bullish, all this. You can simply look for this in the market. So after looking for that, then you can use that to trade. Let me show you some few examples. Okay, so like okay, okay, sorry. As you can see this, right, this is bullish inverted head and shoulders, right? You can see that same formation has been formed. Okay, so after that, what does this cheat sheet say? After this break, we should buy the market from here to go up. As you can see, when the market broke this level, the market went up here. Understand? You can make a lot of profit from here up here. That's it. So that's one. I think I've also marked another one. Okay, something like this. Okay, you can simply find it here. You can see okay, this is bearish pennant, right? So the market is going up, like going down, then this formation, this pattern has been formed. So after that, you can buy from this break, then you can simply buy to go up there. Okay, I will drop this for you in the group so that you can use this and be trading the market with this. You can simply buy from this break to up, right? So we have the indicators. Like most of the indicators I use can be used on the MT5 app. Okay, it will be much easier to use that. So for like, we have the MACD, we have the moving average, we have the Bollinger Bands, and a lot of things. Let's go for Bollinger Bands. Simply go, like, you can simply click on this and it will be applied. Okay, I just put okay, something like this. Before I talk about Bollinger Bands, let me talk about support and resistance. So the support and resistance, it simply means like head and shoulders. Okay, support means the market is at the bottom, like just like your leg, it's in the bottom, right? That's support. And for resistance, it means the market at top, like it will hit. That's how we simply identify that we have the support and resistance. Okay, so simply you can find the support when you can see some range in which the market is just playing around, not going below that. Let me remove this. Okay, okay, something similar to this. Okay, you can call this place a support zone. Okay, you can see from here, when the market comes to this zone, it used to bounce. Okay, so we call this thing a support zone. So we usually buy from support. Okay, see, we can buy it from here, you can buy it, buy. That's support. Now for resistance, it means the market from the top, that's resistance. You can simply find that. Okay, something similar to this, you can find, okay, that's resistance. It means like a zone, a particular zone in which when the market moves to that zone, it used to react and move to the other direction. That's so. Let's talk about the Bollinger Bands after this. So the Bollinger Bands used to mark where the support and resistance are. So for instance, you see this Bollinger Band, right? From here, the market reverse, right? You will sell from here to this yellow line is your TP1. You can take profit at this, or you can let it move to this side, to the bottom one. So from the bottom, you can use to buy. So as you can see from here, it comes to this yellow line. It means you should take your profits and move your stop loss and a lot of things. So when you see this blue line, it's becoming bigger. It means there's a lot of volatility. When they say volatility, it means the market used to move in massive, like in some like massive movement in some short periods of time. So you can make a lot of profit or a lot of losses in that zone. Okay, so something like this. As you can see, when you touch this place, you can see this blue line is big. So it means the market is very volatile. As you can see, in some particular minutes, the market move up to this zone, right? That's it. As you can see, this is small blue zone, right? That means there's not a lot of volatility in this market. Okay, yeah. So that's it. And you have the trend line. Trend line is simply showing you where the direction of the market is, to show you if the market is going up or it's going down. That's the use of trend line. Okay, so we need to trend line is use of joining pivot levels to one another. Okay, like this, I will join a lot of pivot lines. Okay, let me use something like this, like at least three. Okay, so in this particular zone, it's showing you that the market is going up. Trend line can be used like support and resistance. As you can see, this trend line can be used as resistance, right? When it touches, it used to reverse from this zone. That's that's the use of this, the trend, like for the trend line. So we usually follow the trend. If the trend is going down, we want to be selling. We don't want to buy from that zone. Okay. If the market is moving, or like if the trend is going up, we want to be buying, not selling. We don't want to go against that. Trend is your friend. Okay. So when the market comes to these zones, you can actually buy. So from here you can sell. That's actually about this. So that's for trend line. I'll drop this and this in the group. I think that's the end of our free class. So if you want to advance your knowledge in forex and be making a lot of profits and reducing your losses, you can actually enroll in our advanced course, which is valid for only 1 month. So after that, we have the mentorship. Okay, like there's a lot of things in the advanced. You can get access to the signals group. We can chat together, trade together, and a lot of things. You can contact me for that. Thank you.